Finally, the TOOCAA Nova. They say it's smart, safe, and beginner-friendly. Let's find out if that's true. Everything's neatly packed and labeled clearly. You can tell it's designed with beginners in mind. The laser module comes separately to keep it safe during shipping. Once it's in, just press gently in place. Everything you need is included. Just tighten the screw gently, no force needed, and it's ready to go. Setup couldn't be easier. USB, power, air pump, everything just plugs in. Then press one button, and it's ready to go. Web page software design, easy to log in. Click to connect the software smoothly. Then click the button to update the view. Next, I'm using one of the TOOCAA materials from the starter pack. Each TOOCAA selected material comes pre-tested and ready for engraving. And this small card here, the Material ID card, is something really smart. It tells the machine exactly what material I'm using. Now all the presets are ready. Let's start the first engraving and begin your journey with TOOCAA Nova. Now we're back in TOOCAA Studio. I'll just drag a local file, fill, preview, and that's it. Just one click to start engraving. That's beautiful. Sharp lines, perfect contrast, and I didn't have to tweak anything. TOOCAA Nova. Smart, simple, and easy for home use.